Well, also my Jimmy show TV is not sir. Come on, we do a children they go about tea. That's sir. That's a say. The chumra ban. They be a they do quite some year no me. The OT be a fancy sanity. Oh, have you ready to go? Hey, we are for Quabbats and I don't Casai. Or buy another way for Somalia. I know Tracy Davis. They never follow me. What about 2 billion years? You must read the moon while I was in Somalia. The music Somalia for a moment, I don't know. But what come I did I remember? And I decide for the opening, maybe come back. Me don't hear the conversation. The lawyer Chumwan says, "Sansuna, lawyer Fakwan Swan." See, we didn't come na quickly. I mean, can say Nana Atuata. I mean, Adoma a year 23rd. A year the chrome. I'll give you the details. Then I made that form. The Adom Doctor Engineer Nana Atuata. Engineer, yeah.
Local
government services. You know, quite tired that Adom no be biako kama diamai. Sansuna a year. Miame me bibia prekope miame ho yako na ebusuan nyina yako Kenya se 1 and 2 the late Oba Pen Rebecca Prempe dodo afere Akosua Kunama onyame adoma bosumi e o meni de toso aduonu miensa 23 November ana na yi enhihye ne ehya ase na tompem na afia koye yi ne wo Deba Grounds of Kenya se number 2 inti eye abusuan hye no so na adofo so hye no so na ombetai yachi meka ho betai yachi na yenkope ye maame Oba Pen Rebecca Prempe dodo na frɛ no eye Akosua Kunama yenkope ne krabia on the 23rd of November and na ufu somo so bekoso on the 24th November the Church of Pentecost Central of Kenya se number 2 na abusuan se hia Sabrina Kenya se number 2 Deba Grounds of Kenya se na making. It is a climate change on Komobi Kosovo Azerbaijan and as usual multimedia baby adano ye baby ano ye wo ho enti ye beko na ye ni enuano mo edikan wo ho no omo hwese omati ase de efa climate change ehunsunsuanso wo wiase ne oman Ghana ho no so ye disanko but whilst we wait for them my lawyer Achimbi
say officer say won't say mago papa wana
no
won't say mago papa
da be no
and you some ba me ngenjira say won't ya ni maka kira
ya mago
wow
suhum mago
na number no friend na ekonyi won ma say na make ono ya na so na make
oh we dey mago wadaruma kuse enyina ye hyeden erade nka obreti say mu another fantastic lady or ya manyo say nim na odom NDC amanyo ku no
person number na still friend na
I have it
and make and go say nim ye o friend na bant yeah men kai
o position go dey say me na me die nim na me man insabo dey me die ne kosoro mu
pia
la akwaba na me we say mo ni clergy shower Mpensenpensenmu
say ehia
okay ana flag raise sure say bribema on your TV for the Bako we answer na ebia etimi atama.
A brand new somebody at this time you say as a kind of man boss
I think it was a good information because make am say from her to her. Na yeah wo hono so.
Say ga wetimi aka say ka region bia kra ka wo.
In fact, if it was really a idea,
bring no na say bia this bia be kom bia no. Na ka hofo no na ko wetimi ehia. Nanso no.
Exactly.
Wonu say that adversity. So ya ka say wo ba ha kra 10.
Exactly.
Na akoye 2 o'clock.
Eno so nipa no ntiase. Obi any ho be disrespect time in times like
this. No, campaigns in the Obia the left and the right na o monti ase. Enye bo apayo. What is the candidate nika say be oba wo constituency 10 na o medu ho a. Enye say we are say that. Because the be odina no.
Yeah.
Who's the one so how for so twem.
That's very true. That's very true.
Enye say obi ase that except parliamentary can I mean parliamentary court for no can the same thing. So moving from one community to another community in Sugano. Sometimes e be wo mu a bad road near that. Yeah. And I mean, where they make up for all parties, left and right. Now, will be cast of about constituency in our district or community. What's your way? What's your 10? I can't about 2 miles and never wapayo. Yes, if you are that one, that's all on board. Now, baby, you deny be or the free bam hono. We knew who can done your ma any year. and na man ko yes nti ye fa chairman
so campaign cost bi bia na me kwa so
oh nyameti ase ye gu so
third tier or fourth tier chairman running mate I'm saying kind of vice presidential candidate and just say closer to the system vice presidential game mama Jane and the main flag bearer and other he should be an na me kwa
yeah I know sir GM we call western north
okay
and then your chain move okay. I think they have about 7 or so constituencies or 9. Okay. No, I think 9. Obewie, once he gets there, he will finish that. Prof also call the northern sector.
Okay.
The Savannah region, the northeast, the northern region itself, okay. And then I think upper west.
Okay.
So I upper east, that's what then okay. Upper west. General and so NMU, and as you said, other functionaries. And so NMU, just as you see it across board. Okay. Until the dial is cast, okay.
Okay.
But you would do already, Musa. Your colony will be a niche than dear in Kundieva.
All right.
In Kundieva.
Great.
I don't was I'm one person. I hate being complacent until you really see that thing
is it.
Yes, but Kakra, but you have baby about doing dear. Without being complacent, I can say that there will be victory.
Victory,
yeah,
for the NDC.
Yeah.
So the victory of the NDC
is
coming again.
And the people say,
Ehejo Bodo.
We are saying etima backing vocalist. Emma Womoton because he said he was here Bobby's new version. See the microphone number one Kawinka Koyi. And so that what you flower on
the elephant is a winning symbol.
We shall win.
I want the backing vocalist.
Good. Is it a kaka?
As long Kenya mentioned,
it's almost like 15 days. Sorry, 25 days.
I should think so. About 25
days.
My Dr. Baumian couldn't be an ashray or my Nimunina.
Dr. Baumia?
Ninkunim dear no. Ashray or my Nimunina.
Wow.
Say, and rather, no word and Siakro from Obuasi East or Obuasi West. Now, the year 2000, President Kufuor Kansembi, a bro year in a rally or Obuasi no call, then a name lodge. A honor the spirit of a victory at Donny on whom said, we didn't name the 2008 general elections. And rather, so I was seeing it be a good Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or Obuasi Abontinso.
Wow.
And until unse adanse ene si adan kane o enu nti no se saadie no echo on the land of adanse a naturally say nkunimdie no there's nothing that can stop the victory of Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or my market chro na me nua twum so chro
bibia ntimi nye
akwansidie Dr. Mahmoud
Baumia me dey am say can me try to newspaper but I na be do na ma newspaper
because all the same na all carry the zero oh try go to
come na dey go dey nkwapa o can try to newspaper but I
na say you see Dr. Baumia said dey be America no oye me hu ni say oye nipa o enukre take it from me hu ni say oye nipa me hu ni say oye bibi sonko nya med na abedum Ghana say o me maye man so fa ye nwura amaya kese o wi ase ni
o uniqueness
o unique who say oba no isa Ghana manyo sem o de edi kan say ye hu bibia o Dr. Baumia ho a wa isa Ghana manyo sem na free atro any propaganda about issue based political discourse Dr. Baumia characteristics nobody can take it away from him oba was starting the lectures for Central University economic discussions and in the nearma yemfa digitization yemfa economic theories yemfa way and amanyuku Ghana nyina obi esua so we share Dr. Baumia uniqueness na why campaign bi chen obi even the campaign of Dr. Baumia no or chen opposition leader on na oye campaign you see how Dr. Baumia is visible or campaigning aggressively no opposition leader na that why
opposition leader.
Oh, opposition leader.
I just told you about Ashanti region, His Excellency the former president Akushia Clergy. I just told you about Omuna Mamuya campaign, the chairman and then other people.
Oh, my card about Dr. Baumia said na pro we di kan na say no. Okobe bia no shia so for. Say constituency no be ko, say region no be ko, say district no be ko. O shia the clergy, o shia the Muslim Ummah, o shia obia all major stakeholders including asofo. Nyame ngosra wa won so muslimifo Allah ngosra wa won so no ohia obi bia obobom paye ma no etu ne fo ene ne di nkomo Why is there no way? It's a fair na opposition than Susia. You see, opposition than our time enough. Because no opposition now almost 8 years. It is saying Kitan deal with you know. I was inquiring that then you can come about me and son why be. But me a year term, why year term? Or my why year term? And ya for fro. Ye missa, Freya Hafo. The clergy na Hafo. Said Dr. Bomia no Munshai. Fred, the Muslim Uma, Ewa Hafo. Said Dr. Bomia no Munshai. Fre Kumase, Fre Nkraiha, Fre Poemantem, Fre Toyemantem, Fre Tifidu Mantem. Eh, fa, oh my.
Baby, I'm with the Medicaid criminal. I want no more to Ombasamonante.
Oh my. You who Dr. Bomia saw any person. You know, any power. But will be 10 wa. And there will be some uniqueness via you must appreciate any power, you know, or be strong. Me come from my Ghana for say, ne strong kwa or yenuti. And na ma Ghana for abochi asoni mu say Debbie. Ye shrena ya shradie. And unti ye be no mampanyin. Na de woni mu na obefa Ghana akọ the fourth industrial revolution ni mu no. Or the Europe. Oh my fourth industrial revolution IT based o. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and then manema sabi. Ye free self queer, ya de aso, and se kind no. Ye free. And then I might be also ye queer. Say ye poultry farming. I'll be na conquering kitibia no vision. Say ye friends a crop farming. So what the se kind one aso, and e kodobia no vision. And a peasant farming, ye commercial farming. Because then fidie combined harvesters, tractors, and then ye did juma. And now call poultry farms like a Siena, a battery cages, any near my automated battery cages in my no video, ne more Munsio, ne more Munro, ne yen near my nest Sankosia, ne packaging ne yen near my. It's there be yesterday Bruno. Sabi, and you think I call Ubo to chop obvious in featuring. Now I call mammy and son. Now Obebi and you know Nakabako, Bacono or Batukosia say Bema Cranka Hona fertilize it. Or my and you know the Riasi corner. I was said Ghana Nibia who they say. Dr. Baumia, why no ho Jesus the Christ? Why no ho Anabi Isa? Why no ho Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? Ah or no, and never fa Ghana sa jenkwa. No de ko du pempenswa nyame pese Ghana. Ah ye bibi man nyina ye nsoro masronko. The blaster of Africa no, ye be du ho na Africa nyina so timi ye di echi.
Okay, so Medasi, Mama, before we enter into the Supreme Court conversation, another person kaka bibi.
Oh, if you can't mind.
Oh, you person
and you know to you me maker and one or two.
Maybe you hold my internet.
The American say and when we can now walk out, you must show to me. Wow. Wow.
So also okra uniqueness bi na say wow.
Aye onwa. Kobra. Say abro be so friend for.
Okay.
Dr. Baumia enya enna na pay ana yebo ni din kire Ghana for.
Okay.
Na ko ba se woni me yenimu no tiafo kwa ana bi ma kire yem ye woni ni baba. O cameraman production team obiya nim Dr. Baumia ba ko kan ya manage ho pa ono aka ne zia manage ho pa ye wasi wo bam no my lectures ampa say na aboyan ti and dollar $17 cedis aboyan Dr. Baumia lectures no how to restore the city ogusu kan and one ogusu bi ma na pa ni anwure na do all kan a wadi ya dwuma nte dollar $17 so it's very good. If you have such a lecturer, I would move from 4 to 17. Ah, who here? Now, for a tenant to us, 20 years. To do free for about 17. Or the back of 40. Or the back of 40. Oh, was you should lectures no. You know, so on 2 years, but Lincoln or send my essay and I can download now. To a download now, and I want to an now can come. Or to the can now, I want to know the next community. And as I can consequence in Swa. Or con in between no or can kind of lectures in those na 10 one what kind of $1 na free 4 cedis there be do 17 cedis ogusu ko na nimpa
why
I see
to one there and to us
who say disingenuous say you be compare inflationary friend say depreciation trends but as far as trends we are concerned no better than the 9 this year
if you 4 17 year better no problem
literal
no problem literal way obi ya no nyachinye say businessman no tia
say repeat Dr. Baumia ba ye no NDC John Mahama ene yewura mills onye be na me fa kran sie ye happen so omo construct a little over 4,000 kilometers of road
enya no
but Dr. Baumia na ma penya kufa do ba ye no
ye kan dollar mansem
ye kan economic development
ye kan dollar
ye kan economic development
what is the structure of the Ghanaian economy say net ye enye kotobeton economy je fanko Jefanko.
That oman anya kotobako
money emu hu.
Enunti say kotobako economy ehia several years, several months to be able to redefine and restructure the Ghanaian economy.
No problem. Baby, as I say, you know, say it's difficult for me to comment. And say my comment will influence. Now, the way you know, a hard journey. It was say, say me Tihana say me talk dokono 4 cedis. Na say oba and me talk dokono 17 cedis. Ebi oba and we face a lot of challenges, but still, obviously, who didn't here every 4, anchor 6, and 7. Now, would you feel
because it's not 4, no, not 4.
Oh my,
not 4.
The final one. And the call for 2. What I say? Of final one, the call for 2. So far, there 1. Now the call for 2. And 1 no, then 100% crash and 2. Do the call 3 300%. Yes. Or the call for 400%.
It's different
410%. No.
I want to do the audience work.
Oh my. The structure. And no, not cover the mile.
Oh.
Nice externalities now. Everything we are seeing now, John Mahama. Eko Kano Harvard University. Eko Kai say COVID. I say we are seeing now maybe Ghana, including Africa. I'm at you know we are seeing a struggle, including Ghana and Africa. Oh my paying that Mahama and Hokai. You man can't say that.
But lawyer, and also as I said, Ojitum say, you are unable to run away from that fact. Say. Yesi kasemo to twene na enyina hoyi ana from nowhere bam bibi bebo
okay to aka na na bom
nti me gidi say me gidi say and come as see this maybe you could have performed better than what we are seeing now because untimi so yi covid any Russia Ukraine every ensunswa
okay
ama hodo ina including Ghana enya
okay
aban ba you know yehu say a free Ghana see nya e fan hodie no eye kotobeton enana oman bodwa kwame nkroma ye industrialization at a point e collapse here e ma Ghana e be ye a larger base for imported products we share the economic reform program NDC for the come between 1988 and then 1991 ye diversity e ton ye state owned enterprises e ma in the majority of them are warehouses. And no baby home my the ashful na stop e ko baby home my crane me from na begum aye warehouses are produce hwe die crane beton no aban ba ye no or the import substitution led industrialization you the one they show one factory policy and buy and then me no can say you know in concept with the private sector no, over 168 working factories and the OCCA o man say aban e ko net na ho na firi djuma no ye de opepa na ban etimi carry on the drive in year ebeboa ama reduce sa importations aye hu ebeboa ama yensika sem no agina ebeboa ama niema ebeye ohaw ma aye no sabi covid abekire bibi ohaw covid de bre ye no covid abekire yense ndi efiasem covid memi hu ni se covid de sabi osuenhu na covid de bre ye no eye di efiasem
say bad for covid and come for agenda 111
ekeba
first years
ekaba for covid ekakasa prekonum ko wonye omonye hand sanitizers
na want to as open to me
oh dem say you won come I
see you Martin no problem all right so quick one me that say otwe madwe di na so say covid buy and that's the impact na enya we as so I don't doubt it all me crowd here there be am asembo we can make no house several times say covid buy no I happen to be in a country in fact the impact me hu ho no I crowd here na ye hwere on social media na say na ye kan no there mo nu ho emu half kra I was in America it me hu covid power kwabra me say what do you kra na you order pizza cake near the bra no with the table kosi wo do ano na pizza man wura wo premises a wo so wo see why the table so na wo inside na ono dia besi wo e see wa sanitizing and ho akofo ne car no fo ne car ansa na wo so pia free wood dem abafa dia no dia wura dem this are the things that we saw but you know one thing IMF didn't give money to America upon that gross effect that they were having. World Bank didn't give them money upon that effect that they had. But do you know our own? Upon say nipa accept the fraud company enim ewu wo ho 10 year die mpo no men kasa nipa akon ewu amfaso wo so na so ni nyina mu nipa ewu wo ho me amadam for me mate ba from secondary school ni papa sabi na second ne ba Ghana boss ni difa ne man ti sabi tafa che o mo hye no asan later on ba ba na yi covid ya ni nyina achi no the positive effect yen in terms of finance
covid
oh covid enye sika ketwa IMF nkwa. One million 2 billion in different chunks. First one, second one. They know it. And then your IMF and say percent, and 3 billion. You 2 just from IMF nkwa. During
COVID funds, no.
World Bank million over $400 million. African Development Bank and Mayesika, EU for Mayesika. What did this government use all this money for in that 1 year? Now, when COVID came, World Bank near me for Cambo. I don't say, only the policy because one woman say I didn't see financial effect. So am I be proud to COVID? No woman to be a music as a modern Canada, the music as a much than in a year. Only the policy be say, if I'm a debt suspension services initiative, I make natural car with dear, as in saying close to our 6 years. Now, when you come on with me, I war now with music as I would not tell no several. This is a be a cup of West can decode our can. Won't be meso. It's a my a subscriber. This government of the Nekufu not about me government. Et me tra Ghana anko subscribe. I mean, I'm checking as in saying. Come with the chair, what your medical with this can we edi be no. And I'm afraid the come and the boy sodo. And the World Bank was ya cancel out of the capital market, mutim ko bi. And then ne yen kopem why? Ade kwa IMF. Ye kwa IMF na afraid say ade na go bi di ma free no. Anka ye mmra ho no. Afraid ye kopet chaos afraid ye mo fama yen. And no ni say be ye over the DDEP.
Na se mo so mo ho.
That exchange.
That time I yanko yi. Mo te techiro nti se nke wure mo say super highly indebted poor.
And see no. Let me yankan say. You see, never be any abedru no because 2020 there is a report from World Bank. And at that time no me say we should make sure say you best jai besiabo. Because Ghana become a debt distressed country. World Bank never can. That was in 2020. So it means that they all knew that we were heading towards a wrong zone.
Okay.
Yet any man can make me yamaka ya na on the jasaka. Any man can make me ya and it was for free. Ghana and Nigeria and Android. And my penny not done on can say, these two countries, Ghana and Nigeria. Say when him say a kind of not the opportunity with your my now see after one don't be one for Hong Kong don't can they to back have you. Now you got a free opportunity one way. The same thing that was given to you for free, you are begging for it. You saw President going to tell Germany for say, for your car and
so you remember so
what I say. And you know, yes, COVID came, but to be honest with you, COVID you won't emphasize now.
The pluses are COVID they buy, you know.
They have not been honest to us about it.
All right. So you talk about transparency and honesty.
Who does it?
Montias say, I say I enjoy debt cancellation over $2 billion. Over $2 billion in terms of debt cancellation.
And I can say
debt forgiveness.
In the account
okay.
So I can say
the fiscal space.
Over 2.45 billion.
Okay. You know, over 4.something billion. We debt forgiveness. All kind of debt cancellation, you know, because of the negotiation skills of this government. It is only an MPP, IMF program, and all the indicators are IMF. Yes, passing beyond the thoughts of IMF. Obviously, GDP will grow beyond 1.5, near grow 2.9. Even this year, second quarter of 2024, we grew over 5.9%. Ashoki IMF use Ghana as a model.
What is the impact
for other IMF countries and IMF? But about me, I said, I didn't know. You see, the economy is recovering.
You are coming back in terms of economic and its figures.
Absolutely.
But he's asked a very relevant question.
That about me, was a man. Was the economy and no bottom? It's a bottom
sometime in 2020
to talk because now training.
Any good no. The only team the bar.
Okay, so ever see.
Okay, I said a little of diesel RIU to 23.5% Ghana cedis.
15 point something.
And 23%.
In January.
No, it's telling you that. So
the enya
we are not saying the
Toby
is the best. But Sebi, you see, I say you raise an issue about the dollar. Say, how many dollar be do even 10 cedis? Between me, no, you make up and say,
oh, governor, say, about the 10 cedis and so on.
Oh, my no credit say.
Oh, what news no? Oh, my governor central bank. Okay. Me van you.
Oh, there be.
Oh, me yes.
Oh, my you I
me be yatro okay. Me see me be yatro.
IMF police.
Okay, so you're come,
So IMF police.
No, court.
No,
yeah, the court.
Oh, Enra, oh my, as Dan Kenya, me say, said your mom ran.
No, we say who miss and this. If you want to,
if I want to drive the dollar rate to I can do that tomorrow morning. Check here.
You are a police officer, an intelligence officer, you are a politician, you are somebody was a big year akwaja basubode na no dey
ni nyina achi
Accra Business School
nti unyo bia over fast sem na ni so saa no especially when you know that the office that you talk about doesn't speak loosely like that. Now when the times that we are in. Ube chimi disika about 10 cents.
Oh my, the okay me de say because of miss and this. Journalist of the year award. Oh my, young gadi system no young boko by against disinformation and misinformation.
Also for the police officer be Ibrahim. Almost I support to a NBC.
Okay, sir, on peace and one example no can. Yeah.
Police officer be na yeah. And with the full video no.
MB before and this one according na ko share police boy officer they were there but the man didn't say that.
And I'm
yeah. You said vote for peace or something.
Peace. You are talking about peace.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's your question.
So my Disney miss na kind.
Not Disney. Where the year award. Where I see the man. Also so that kind of no the
All right. I rather make us say it was victory for the rule of law. And yeah, you are afenyo markings in the kunim. And then yeah, the majority caucus in parliament in the kunim. But it was victory for democracy and the rule of law. Actually say Ghana yamamra no yeah the three arms of government.
Okay, but to quickly enko Azerbaijan bra na lawyer Forjo any Kofi Ampedu climate change was some.
Send me back when the could frame and wash it is an winter coat and
Azerbaijan cannot
so lawyer Nekasa na say yeah Kofi Ampedu Nekasa. Oh wow.
Kufina na
pop say.
Utukwa ya akra.
Oh, nyame adu.
Utukwa ya akra.
Bibia e kama. Me hu say lawyer Forge also to na. Me hu say
na wana titenje.
Baba bia otem kama ne bodje fita na ho ya.
Ato one director general for Ghana Meteorological Agency.
Hey.
Yeah, not to drink for more about climate change and the effects.
Good.
And what Ghana agri sector any largely the economy. Or different angles. Once I can climate change now. That means for you say you see near the other. I don't mind one of climate change a very important rudimentary role to play in the lives of Ghanaians because we are
exactly my point. So that's Dr. Suman, right?
Dr. Suman.
Correct. Lawyer Mr. You court. You are judge Mao Crown Alcasa. Lawyer member. Unfortunately for you, lawyer form you need table issue. It member who buy my display. Kakana Mkofa LB, I'm chasing in Abasia. Mem cry. Doc, that's it for your time. When they're bringing to know over boy Kakra, walk us through because climate change, no. Yet by Yentiase. Ana ehun susanso no ye hu ni ye Doc Patrick you
Doc Patrick you but me TV sir
Unfortunately, I'm saying dog in tea and car. Dog, so tea and car, as the Missani say, climate.
About climate change.
Exactly.
Climate change. Since I'm so affected Ghana. Them say 89% say back Ghana for guidance and very different. And such like say super for say to say we have a say BBC say this are say number 2.49 and the policy makers in there. On what password there to one number one. My boy by speech. 1 year climate change at the brain. The Ghana Metro Intelligence say 21 break a clear when I see 20 minutes about what they but the bat you be a friend of signal forecast. The bat every year March first week in March. Now say last week in April. Yeah, the end say 3 months I said Pinimuno sending to talk BC SCFI. Repentance will be started. The repentance will be trapped. And then so to any monosono, and was an expert say, if you are soon to Abu said, rice spends. See, that my dear, we had to that, the work we are fully back, the work we are for the drag. That's what was started. We are going to be a the day of the movement in our so instead of working percent in children of this power. But if you are, it's a boy, you might take what I is, and maybe we are in my office. And I the others are climate change, the weather, the climate service, if we material, maybe put it one Ghana, and the KCIS are South Sudan, and this are information about a few able, year 2024, and March, first March, and this end, but they're about but the year before. So, countries are good region, scientists of both countries of climate change level in the see again. Now, it is a year more basic. Maybe you know, stick with the 7 minutes of agriculture for CSI and 20 hour crick. Any of which, yeah, or a cancer that Philippi, Papa. And it's 1 month for the United States. A few ways, soon and started Papa. Better a grass and a start. And now, if it costs a crack. And I've been moving now, so no, yes, but to say, don't on a brand, with the process dry spell, a better 10 a check, say, normal one, and so, dry spell a very longer than normal. And the two, they see 3 more fear, young Slowana, the Ababi Grace say, the son say, so no common sign. Now, yeah, the woman said to a man for them. They do a casa, a more public responsibility, some of the information, no one there, they would be the edge. The minutes of our Greek saying, prefer information, no one there to follow. Someone, I will buy a first one where they obey your more food. Upper. It's a feed the moment said in the economy. Something we treat that. Them say, I'm fine, edge one. It's a then some to Ghana, northern Ghana. Provincial AC Ghana. World Bank project to be a here in Ghana, a friend of FSR. That project, World Bank for now move, and the Minister of Agriculture for any Ghana met for a couple a South Subi, it's a committee. But a committee at here, you share Minister of Agriculture. Or crop calendar, would it two? A pair for no for. Weather income. I say, the weather no information never can. Or she say, would they develop a crop calendar? This are never be doing both weather and crop calendar and 7 a short prefer say a 1 month difference. What I agree to crop calendar now the other weather not couple one. It show 1 month difference. The father said, I get to be 2 of your focus on planting April 1. What the weather the couple? It's all planting in. The passa
They didn't bet the other be about 1 month no there. Then the be about us. It's a way ma a Minister of Minister Ankasa Huntri. So I say, young for district to be a fire where Dane migrate upon come generate a new crop calendar. Emma district, yeah. The first of a deep dive committee. A Greek World Bank, a bet you. We have gone to all the districts. They are generating new crop calendar. Delivered to the this is possible.
Okay, so Dr. Suman, because my expectation is that Nyame Dimu Bedua, we will find time and then we can go into proper details and the guidelines for us in times like Brayehu, the patterns being in terms of our weather air conditions. In the Adamu Yamasi, Dr. Suman, Kofian Pedu, Enya Kozinsia, and Afi, Welbeck, and lawyer Chum, lawyer Fojo, Adamu Yamasi. The chair Azerbaijan for we are back to the studio. We cannot really go on because I think you could break the bar. Nanka ye breno can ya chemunafi we had the submissions in but while we are waiting we don't have to also say anything commenting on this one. On this climate change, it starts with all of us. What we are doing. Baby will be a share and you may be a wood dear. Any women such as any a boy brother and because and then what I know won't be predictable. That we have a born and so better and I say November it's so strange. A lot of our activities are affecting so we may careful the way we go about it. Yes, I'm a kite chima and the bolga. Sabri was an equiaphone.
Last week, yes, last weekend, Nami war. Enclips. Ocean Crofun for mother dog. If you do a bro near the day, would drive here. I mean, you can see it, but ensure never tunnel is a problem. But maybe maybe I did a bar with trim on my way as I was driving back and I said, a baby bar, regions best than 9B, Ashanti, Eastern, Central, Western. And we are winners as incident.
Winners as incident. What's happening?
The rate at which Galamsey is cost. Na yede ben efie ba bia nkasase for building or development be market, school, dine, whatever. And we leave them unattended. Yeah, climate change once more, but these are gross things that affect climate change hugely.
Yeah, very important. Very true.
Hugely.
We still enjoy the mass.
Seriously. Extremely, Mrs. Region, I am a body idiot. And Yamma. Visa say, a baby, I come to grab the acid and then it's a man who can be away with the German. No passasico because you was what. Yet this mining areas. So, at some point, if you can't get a place to build,
you are forced to do a lot of things. Yeah. It's so sad.
Our waters are no more.
Yeah, it's so sad. With the extreme, I can't see now grown it's getting scary. Even if we also person corner to corner, just the Accra, Kumasi, Usino, was almost on Tonam or railways be a the EPC in India. That's okay. That's what I say. The EPC in Yema. Any priorities are buying beer or babiano. Ye man yen share say ye see a former good year to yen see whole coin.
Responsible one is what we are talking about.
But yen sure say Senanum assemblymen, opinion leaders, and they make us a cross sack for a TC for cry rep. Because among me almost here, I buy the O'Hara suit to and Namombi. And then maybe some of our security agencies. Young Cambodian committed and dedicated towards this fight. Because ye did agree the young coloration of party seminar and so far. Ye did agree on a lot here, okay. What they agree. Apart from health implications, it is also the baby. Apart from say a dear deman casano, to show a dear banner dem dinner dancer, a ye baby. Let's pay attention to detail. It's so important on this issue of the fight against illegal mining. Monsu amonya kwanya licenses no. Now no the report fi me ama for buy. Mo amonya kwan eye license mining no. Miners kra no ebi so ahwe say kwan da munti no. Omo so afa kwati kwan no so e na edi dwuma. Usisi ananse a. We dey nya onko aho na usisi o. Usisi o and
musa kwesi go Adom FM say.
Human activity.
Oboase. Many fear di in the 90s. Me start to go Kumasi papa ko police je ko tele Kumasi. I see to go Oboase. It go was na mfa ko duty so. Enti officers say no mo ye no.
Okay, bedru an.
Enti kan show bi ko abedo Oboase from 90s abapum 2024.
Yeah, cross over to Game Park. Yeah ba, e be di en komo.
Eh serious o.
E kwa ba. Yes, by Damina must wrap up in the next few minutes. Ricky Anochi, happy birthday, Shunko. And I would happy birthday, Shunko. Ricky Anochi, wa on him Nibiano, Bonankaya, and that's Shunko. And the man wish him a happy birthday. Studios Adam said the lawyer Chumberima, I will have him say Sansona, a lawyer Afua Kwanso, I want him say. Now we show common as the next 6 minutes, Bomodena for summarize. Yeah.
My say, Nano ya, Chibiana. Mitime ho ase beto ma se bedwom na mitime ho ase beto ma se bedwom na e border on constitutional interpretation article 97 1GNH ema speaker ejina so e de new rule and answer decision e by to the effect that 4 members of parliament bako any NDC minority no na eye adwuma na mensa enso so belong to the majority caucus no esan say omo declare omo intention to contest and to become members of parliament in the 9th parliament, as independent candidates. And about also echo on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party, The ruling was that more across the carpet, almost seats now vacant or in line with our constitutional and practices, now Yemrano the majority leader who is leader of government business, rallies and the coming out in your markets, Assembly Court to Supreme Court aboboa no enrada na Supreme Court de nchechiremu esan say omo na yamamra constitution no ma won kwan under article 131 say eba nchechiremu wo yamamra ye constitution ni mu a ye de tumi na ma omo so omo nchechire constitution ni no omo nchire de say the constitution no ni nchiremu etie di enrada na judges enso a etena asem so wo mrase bedwam no emu enum ejitu mu se ewa sendibia ejitu mu se de yewura baben anamo a otu ye no na itia ye constitution no which is unconstitutional na emu miyenu so no e decline on based on jurisdiction senka omo de omo susu se asem na senka ko asendie ko ba bi foforo na enye Supreme Court na senka eba. It's a beauty of democracy and a victory for rule of law said the yina ye hunu and yet the other court because we are constitutional interpretation a mranu mu nchechiremu and a court na chechiremu na no wabisi and court nchechiremu bia said the court na kan kwakusi no saa na o say mrase bedwan so efa nchechiremu a court na dia aba no de ye adwuma to the effect that now the decision of the speaker say o really say 4 seats no vacant no now also ye states are 4 members of parliament because the Supreme Court and the buyer no contrary to the parliament as speaker the ebe 2 and now on the 17th of October 2024 ye best say Supreme Court akasa no, it is the highest court of the land. You be funny the year juma, and I be sete obi ka say president at ho no mo a e be guide you going forward. Enye president eye MPP president and NDC president. Eye president e be guide the conduct of the business of parliament. Said the dachi bi no obi eka so no so e call election cotton krobi and answer said the tiena. But for Right Honorable Speaker Iron Michael Kwe, ni ruling in 2020 ema Yera Esiama, then MPP member of parliament also decided so beba 8th parliament as an independent member a train akoya sense you know and the kofa sa president we beto ho no mo ema minority ni so no e ko raise a motion and answer to that effect say binum so ayesa de a ene omo so no omakonwa ne yembutu omakonwa e omrase bidwa say na Supreme Court na kire emrani mu no emrani mu aba beda ho no mo pefi e ma ye nyina no yate ase a benim say going forward no ebe ye enka edum na kire ye nkwan say de ebe ye ayemfom kwan na ye betimi aguide ye oman addition dey see esu afiri mu ne say amamra no de tumi ama the three arms of government, you know, any all other constitutional bodies, and so be any jumedi said it. Now said the amamra ne no. Dana me ba ha na no me kan. Say Yera Speaker Right Honorable Abansumanu Kingsford Baben. Edi ni le mo a nkasa wa ha we aye we no nka amba. De me kasa ne say ebra ma minority for a raise issue na omo ascribe some interpretation omo nti ase e wo emranim SIT some precedent Right Honorable Aaron Michael Kwe decision on the boy siege na e wo ho no na majority ni so no so the contrary interpretation e ba ya mentimi ho ase e ba a provision of under article 97 1G and H no was anka speaker at with all due respect to the office of the speaker no was anka home so nanka or refer the question of constitutional interpretation to the Supreme Court is say na provision you know enye too clear because ye need locus classicus bia e wosa nsem ne ho a beka se nchechirimu bia abadada Supreme Court sigina ye wosa asem ne ho ye guiding principle e ma ye nyina o si follow but na ba ye something new enu nti speaker ka so okọ home so na wo de ni rule na ba no na ye watchers of the rule of law ya de nyina ya dwi nyina ne se ye papa no e be follow say article 132 say even high court and a court of appeal lower court no say a question of constitutional interpretation arise here court no emrane say omo home so now omo refer the question to the Supreme Court no and can speaker ebe follow that dictate no na ke dey asumdwe aba.
So in effect you expect that parliament should comply?
They have no option than to comply because the Supreme Court kasa enye say opa na comply na say opa on comply. Okay. That is the apex court of the land. Right. And the Supreme Court na kasa no in say parliament ebe comply nenso so no they must consult among themselves na Ghana and the biggest beneficiary of the works of parliament ebe ma my Ghana empuntuo enhia won kese na individual partisan interest no yenyi free na de adru you know yendwere o my Ghana ho because Ghana here o my hwe the structure of our economy any or how our Ghana come nyina COVID Russia Ukraine any or how ya come nyina bi sabre ya economic quagmire any sa na mani nyina ya Mpensenpensenmu aye wo mu yi e wo se ye mra se bedwa o mo gina ya anemu no etietimamufo na de timamufo pe no so no yitu anamo ne ye ma wo na ye ntwetwe ne sere ne abasa.
To your part in suppository very important preparedness to always extend that branch no olive no a key.
Yeah, sure.
You know, and the posturing that say so and do baby it doesn't bring that. Member on to us. No,
speak the okay your man make a so majority leader. Honorable Antonio Markins. Can say me Supreme Court. Tama in central for interview no. Or can say me or mobisa say it's a very call parliament anano. Or can say me a unifying enough. Say no. Or say Mr. Speaker too kind. Which are naichi. Now we say Mr. Speaker ba na man boa esino. Mr. Speaker Tia, okay. Mr. Speaker Edebe Yejuma, that they are going to consult among themselves as leaders of parliament. You know?
I pray that parliament, what I'm hearing will not be there because I'm hearing that the NDC is also not ready to come to parliament, you know, because they feel also that Enyoman Kui is a lawyer. You're a lawyer, speak from the angle of the Supreme Court and matters arising. In 3-4 minutes now, we wrap up.
All right. Yes, the Supreme Court has spoken. But since yesterday, make most millions and make us. I really want to get a ruling to read. Because your kind just a kind of a summary, being not man briefly, and or the betuga, and the standards in 5-2. But I really want to understand certain things that went on in the ruling. For instance, as he said, minimum say the rates now for your mark a file and through the lawyers not for interpretation of 97.1 GNH. And I want to understand what they have said regarding the G and the H. Because the G and the crowd are two events together. Where you leave a political party to another political party, or you leave a political party to independent. And a H in the one, independent to a political party. So technically, I can say be and I said 3 different events and they fold it up under these two, clauses or articles. But unfortunately, me 5 no and more 7 years. Well, I was say already ready by close of day today. Until you say I could doing maybe 7 there. I mean to be flying on our pages and among other things. You be able to be in the back and kind ye. Now let me at you near who say. I want to believe that the court's ruling is not something that is going to open the floodgates. Because we know, the rationale behind its being in the constitution, is to prevent something. People
who abuse it.
Exactly.
Yeah, people who abuse it.
Exactly. And this, I just pray, say the 5 have not done something that will not open the floodgates. What Senabi Parliament be that ho now be when the money part do no attest me am be independent. Or but Parliament also that you could do the conference or campaign it yaw. Come on. Your politics now no. Yeah, what mean you go for that there phone. At that time I me you the next evening me have you can't be that. You are one. Until I read and I get to understand whatever they have said on the particular ruling there, I'll pause. But the issue has to say way forward in Parliament. You see, me who honorable African statement, no, me so we're releasing the statement, be and dra after the ruling. Now, but I could be okay with say, or to suffer the NDC side or caucus, no, brotherly invitation or whatever, and that no and that day. Sir, issue any ban and opposite than a din run. Should have been portrayed from the very day
I talked about posture.
As some way at off.
Talked about posture.
But the position and the posture of Honorable African from the very day, Papa, and an announcement to send a pronouncement, but to ga in Parliament. Ocean the yaw done a day about and than one. One leadership. One leadership. I make us say, as a majority and this are majority side in the debate. Unsa Parliament we am biasida. One call from 2021 now from one. Okay, say as la usu kwatna ayi naso. Akando naso. Ebisi ye.
Akando.
But we say
and be akasa bem.
Dear African penifon to me ye ntia and repeating home the next sitting.
So a display of a certain level of immaturity.
So just here. But me said that time the leader that they had, which is famous about compared to Fanny Markins, it's the biggest mistake I made the man do when MB before you. Okay, so
but
and I was someone was. We are saying the number
please, sorry, sit down. Sorry.
Which one is please?
Sorry, please sit down. It's really
in summary, you know.
Yes, for the sake of the country.
For the sake of the country, but wouldn't even say not especially where Parliament that way Ghana for Nankasa ama party be a majority. It's how we say and the other one and man about is the decision of Ghanaians. Say the ruling government majority and I'm majority. It's now no where you trend them on ye me no kasaboko ntamudia etwa sumoma botreba e bi na see and the chairman say ma how akum sentimi nya vote change pa biara when you went to vote
because kasa
but so what decided to be nancy bebo but who take that media me saying no maza was where you
okay the position here my kuntan na mo say
say and no money
na mo say
and no
my kuntan we don't mind the conversation